Hello and welcome to this short video on the Tethermate. The KUPO Tethermate is a lightweight, solid aluminum laptop platform. It attaches to any baby 5/8" pin by using a 4-way mounting block for ease of mounting on vertical and horizontal pins. The block also has both 1/4-20 and 3/8/16 female threads for endless mounting possibilities. The Tethermate also features dual retaining flanges on top and bottom, preventing your laptop from sliding off when it's inclined. The Tethermate is the perfect companion both on location and in studio. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at KUPO we like to say, never let go.